I'll guide you through how to redeem an Apple gift card without confusing the card types or struggling to redeem your code on non-Apple devices. If you're looking to quickly add funds to your Apple account for apps, subscriptions, and products, and so you need to master the process of redeeming your Apple gift card balance, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps for iPhone, Android, and Windows PC. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The very first step for every platform is to find the 16-digit code that begins with the letter X. For physical cards, this code is on the back. You must gently peel or scratch off the label to reveal it. Before we see how to redeem an Apple gift card on Apple devices, let's see how it's done on Android. Since Android devices don't have the Apple App Store, you must redeem your card through the Apple Music app. Install the Apple Music app from the Google Play Store and open it. Tap the profile icon in the top corner and then select Account. Select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You will need to manually type the 16-digit code into the prompt. This adds the balance to your associated Apple ID, and you can access it from any of your Apple devices. Next, let's see the process of redeeming an Apple gift card on an iPhone or iPad. This is the fastest and easiest method as you can use your device's camera. Open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad, tap the profile photo or initials in the upper right corner, select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Choose Use Camera and position your phone over the 16-digit code to instantly scan it. The funds will be added directly to your Apple account balance, ready for immediate use on apps and subscriptions. Let's move on to redeeming on Windows PC. For desktop users, the easiest method is to use the new dedicated Apple apps. Open the Apple Music app or the Apple TV app on your Windows PC. Click on your name or the sign-in button in the sidebar. Click the Redeem option and follow the on-screen prompts to enter your 16-digit code. Finally, here's how to redeem an Apple gift card on a Mac. This method uses the App Store application built into your Mac operating system. Open the App Store app on your Mac, click on your name or the sign-in button located in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. This takes you to your account page. In the top right corner, click Redeem Gift Card. If your Mac has a built-in camera, you can select Use Camera to scan the code instantly. Otherwise, simply type the 16-digit code manually. Once confirmed, the funds are added immediately to your Apple account balance, ready for immediate use on apps and subscriptions. Once redeemed on any platform, your balance can be used for almost anything Apple offers. Now that you've learned how to redeem an Apple gift card, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Apple video tutorials. Thanks for watching.